Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
Open Chrome and update to the latest version via settings about Google Chrome. This ensures the blocking options and extensions work correctly and securely. Decide whether you will block a single link, an entire domain, or use an extension for granular control. Gather the exact URL or domain that you want to block and copy it to your clipboard. Expect the setup and initial test to take about 5 minutes. Keep Chrome synced if you want the block to apply across devices. Open Chrome settings and navigate to Privacy and Security, then Site Settings to control permissions. Use pop-ups and redirects and additional content settings to reduce unwanted link behavior. To block a domain on your system, edit the host's file and map the domain to 127.0.0.1 on your operating system. That method blocks links at the device level without extensions. For parental or managed accounts, enable Safe Search and Supervised Profiles to restrict domains across Chrome users and devices. Install a reputable extension such as BlockSite or uBlock Origin from the Chrome Web Store. Open the extension settings and add the exact URL or domain to the custom block list, then save your changes. Some extensions support schedules, passwords, or synced lists for multiple devices and accounts. After configuring, test the block by pasting the link into Chrome and reloading the page. Confirm the page fails to load or displays the extension's block message. If it still opens, clear cache and restart Chrome, then retest.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.